Can you right-click on an iPad with a mouse?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting aspect of Apple's iPad, using a mouse with it. Is it possible to right-click on an iPad with a mouse? Stick with us to find out.
Can you use a mouse with an iPad?
The first thing to note is that, yes, you can indeed use a mouse with an iPad. Since the release of iPad OS 13, Apple has allowed the use of a mouse as an accessibility option under Assistive Touch, which is designed to support physical motor limitations.
How to set up a mouse with an iPad?
Here's how you do it. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch greater than Assistive Touch greater than Devices, Bluetooth devices. Here, you can connect your Bluetooth mouse. You will also find an option to customize additional buttons if your mouse has more than the standard left and right click.
Can you right-click on an iPad with a mouse?
Now to the question at hand. Can you right-click on an iPad with a mouse? The answer is yes, you can. But keep in mind that the concept of right-clicking is different on an iPad than on a traditional computer. Rather than opening context menus, a right click will act as a long press or tap and hold, usually bringing up additional options in various apps.
Customizing the right click.
What if you want the right click to perform a different function? The good news is, Apple allows you to customize what the right click does. You can set the right click to open the Assistive Touch menu, go to the home screen, or perform a variety of other functions. You can set this under Settings, Accessibility, Touch greater than Assistive Touch greater than Devices greater than Your device greater than Customize additional buttons. In conclusion, using a mouse with an iPad provides a more traditional computing experience and can offer a lot of flexibility. We hope this video has helped clarify how you can use a mouse with an iPad, and specifically how right-clicking works. As always, don't hesitate to explore these settings and customize them to your liking to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching.